Don't get the got-to-be glue gel. It's no good. It didn't work for me. Promise don't tell nobody when I put this kitty under. I got something special for you. Come close. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I'll show you guys how I use my got-to-be glue gel and my got-to-be glue mousse. Now, I've heard a lot of people talk about the got-to-be gel, and a lot of YouTubers say that get the one in the yellow bottle, but I have a sample of the one in the black bottle, and I used it the first time and it worked for me. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks when I put it on. I'm just gonna go straight into the video. Okay. Like I said, I'm using the black one, and this is how it looks. It's clear and it's a little jelly. Now I'm going to be using my got-to-be gel. Everybody on mine, and I like it. And I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. And I just put enough on the tip of my finger. I'm just putting a little bit on my forehead, just like at the edge right here, surpass my edges, as well as I'm going to be placing some on my edges as well. Perfect date with ya, wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, it's been my life. So as you can see, I just put a little bit on the outer part of my edges around my forehead, and I put some on my edges going back. And you could use your finger or you could use your brush and just make sure that it's laid. Just make sure that it's laid. And some people use, I've seen some people use their blow dryer on cool temperature and blow dry, well not dry, but blow the hair to get the got-to-be glue gel a little tacky. That way your lace front will hold. I'm not using a blow dryer because my husband is in the dining room watching TV and my son is in his room, and I don't want to cause a disturbance making my video, so I'm just gonna let it hair dry. You heard me right. I'll go every. And this is really good, like just on my edges alone. Like it pulls my edges down to the T. I've heard them say that the got-to-be glue gel in the black bottle leaves behind like a white residue, but if you could see so far, there's no white residue in my hair. So I don't know. So I use my mousse and I put it on my edges. This white residue that you're seeing, remember, it's not from the got-to-be glue, but it's from the mousse, as I just sprayed my hair with some. Now that I've done that, and you can feel the tackiness. And when I say the got-to-be glue gel holds your lace long, that doesn't mean for like 2-3 weeks. It means more like 2 to 3 days. 4 days if you tie it down, and then sometimes you gotta just go back and do little touch-ups. That's
the heart wants who the heart wants, but I feel your pride, your inner thighs, and my eyes would decline such. See, I love it because of the time spent, not less you, possibly because of the obvious newness and cluelessness of it. But truthfully, shawty, we ain't even found a real vibe yet. No. Primary chick or When I laugh with a casually kiss on the kitty cat and watch glow black mirrors and break your back and let me bask in the aftermath of your black girl magic shit. I'm just asking, am I falling 4%? Look, I'm sorry we got us a little problem. Yeah. And I hurts cause I open up then I got Steve up. Hola, ever had the right love at the wrong time? Netflix, sex, quick, and it's awkward. I know a lot of hoes, so I know a lot of lies. So one cheering and the other sitting courtside with me. Fear of God, dripping, got towel with me. But that one in pom-poms probably put the bars on you, girl. She reckless. Or maybe I'm the selfish guy. Oh, lady coming on Monday. Her crazy ass is back Wednesday. Tuesdays for me. The rest Thursday I'm with she. Saturday, I gotta leave her fast because I need a passing in a leg. I bet you ask me why don't I leave the past, but back of mine, you see we creeping now. When now you think you're howling in a week from now, you'll be shit. Forget it. Maybe cheaters associate. When I can show you this hole in my heart, I eat your liquid gold and go home to go to corral. You don't know. I'm just trying to say quality over quantity. I'm just trying to say I be trying to live honestly. I'm just trying to say when you be sending news, that turn up Pookie on news, yeah, who this shit be calling me? You got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? A feeling is reckless. I'm doing this.
So, and I'm telling you, this is bomb. This is bomb. Like, honestly, this is my second day, and my hair is still down. My hair is still. See, I'm pulling right now. I am pulling, and it's still down. Don't listen to those people that say, oh, don't get the GOT2BE glue gel. It's no good. It didn't work for me. Dot, 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 dot. So, like, subscribe, share. Until next time, peace out, dolls. Mwah. Love you. Bye.
When I put this kitty on you, I get something special for you. Come closer, in order to receive it. Come closer, I don't want no